Hey everyone, this is Vittorio from Eibach, and this is our weekly recap. First thing we should mention is that it's the final week of our annual summer sale. As of now, all products on the Eibach website are offered at 10% off with free shipping. Don't miss out. Deals end on July 12, 11:59 p.m. For R&D, we brought in a 2024 BMW M4 rear-wheel drive for Pro Kit testing. In this stage of development, we're finalizing fitment, ride height, and ride quality. If you've got an M3 or M4, check out our website at eibach.com to see what's available. Alongside the M4, we brought in a 2024 Toyota Tacoma rear-wheel drive. We're currently working on fine-tuning our Stage 1, Stage 2, and Stage 2R kit in order to get them ready for production. Speaking of production, since it's July, we thought it'd be fitting to show our factory here in the USA. The majority of all products sold in the USA are proudly made here at our facility in Corona, California, from our off-road shocks, legendary race rings, and to our everyday use Pro Kit and Sportline lowering kits. Did I mention we do all this in-house? For upcoming events, catch us at Gridlife Summer Apex from July 26 to July 28 at the world-famous Road America. We'll have some Eibach and Gridlife collab goods to hand out, such as limited edition pins and a limited supply of special event tees. We're looking forward to seeing you all there. After Gridlife, it's back to California as we prepare for Subie Fest on August 4. We'll be bringing a BRZ from one of our Team Eibach members along with our WRX build. We've made some changes recently, so we're excited to show you all at the show. As far as new products, we just released our PRO-UTV sprint kits for the 2024 to 2025 Polaris Xpedition Adventure 5 Northstar. These kits will range from Stage 1 all the way to Stage 4 to cover your needs. If you don't know which kit you need, we'll have a UTV sprint kit calculator on our website, so visit eibach.com for more information. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.